What should you do if you don't get the results that you needed on results day? Well, first of all, don't panic. I'm here to go through step by step what you can do on the day. It's A-level results day, and I have all my fingers crossed for you that you got the results that you need or want to go to university, employment, training, whatever your future pathway is. But what do you do if you don't get the results that you need? Before you do anything, make sure you check your UCAS application online. Lots of firm choices will still give you a place, even if you miss it by a grade or two. And if you don't get your firm, you might still have your insurance place as the backup offer. However, many of you will have checked your UCAS application probably even before you've got your results, so this won't apply to you. If neither your firm or insurance universities can offer you a place, then you'll be put into clearing and you'll be allocated a clearing application number. You'll need this to apply to other universities during the clearing process. Each university will publish their clearing spaces on their own website and also on the UCAS website. I'd suggest doing a search, looking at any universities you might be interested in that have spaces on your course or similar courses. Remember that those courses that have spaces in the morning might not have spaces later on as they fill the spaces as the time goes on. Or they might not have spaces initially, but later on they do have spaces. So it is worth checking back periodically. Once you think you found a university that you want to apply to, you'll need to contact them directly. When you contact them, you'll need your clearing number, which you can find under the application status of your UCAS application. You'll need your personal ID from your UCAS application and your results. From this, they'll be able to decide whether to give you what we call an informal offer. So this is not a confirmed place as yet, but it means that if you were to apply through clearing to them, then they could offer you a space. I'd actually ring a few different universities on your list just to see what the variety of offers are, and then you can make your final decision. Once you've made that final decision, you'll need to do the application through the UCAS website, and if they've still got spaces, you should be accepted. When searching for courses, it's worth remembering that some universities will offer foundation years for subjects where maybe students don't quite have the grades that they need to go straight onto the degree. So this is an extra year or called year zero. They also have courses that might be just similar to your course, but not exactly the same. So these might be worth considering as well. So lastly, good luck from me, and I hope it all goes well on results day.